Chronic Law, born Akeem Campbell, has emerged as a formidable force in the dancehall scene, captivating audiences with his poignant lyrics and distinctive sound. Hailing from St. Thomas, Jamaica, his journey from humble beginnings to musical prominence is a testament to his resilience and artistic prowess. From an early age, Chronic Law exhibited a deep affinity for music. His formative years were spent honing his craft, writing songs that reflected his experiences and observations. By grade 7 at Morant Bay High School, he was already penning lyrics that would lay the foundation for his future career. His breakthrough came in 2018 with tracks like Hilltop Badness and Government, which resonated with listeners for their raw authenticity. These songs showcased his ability to articulate the struggles and aspirations of his community, earning him a dedicated fan base. Chronic Law's music often delves into themes of self-awareness and protection. In interviews, he has emphasized that his lyrics are not about promoting violence, but about highlighting the importance of self-preservation in challenging environments. His collaboration with Popcaan on St. Thomas Native further solidified his status in the industry. The track, an ode to their shared roots, combined evocative lyrics with visuals that celebrated their hometown. Chronic Law's commitment to social commentary is evident in songs like Talk D Truth, where he addresses systemic issues and advocates for truth and justice. The track aligns with global movements, reflecting his awareness of broader societal concerns. His versatility is showcased in collaborations with emerging artists like Nhance on the track Life. The song, which amassed 1 million views within days, underscores his ability to connect with diverse audiences and support upcoming talent. Chronic Law's prolific output includes a range of singles that explore various facets of life. Tracks like Selfish and Wedding Cake highlight his lyrical dexterity and willingness to experiment with different themes and styles. Despite his success, Chronic Law remains grounded, often drawing inspiration from personal experiences. He has spoken candidly about the challenges he has faced, using his music as a means to process and share his journey. His dedication to his craft is evident in his extensive catalog. At one point, he revealed having 5 albums ready for release, demonstrating his relentless work ethic and commitment to his art. Chronic Law's influence extends beyond music. He has become a voice for the voiceless, using his platform to shed light on issues affecting his community and beyond. His collaborations with artists like Rygin King on Recovery showcase his ability to convey deep emotion and support narratives of resilience and healing. The song, reflecting on Rygin King's personal struggles, highlights Chronic Law's empathetic approach to music. In Kick It With Myself, Chronic Law and Popcaan explore themes of self-reliance and introspection. The track resonates with listeners navigating personal challenges and seeking solace in solitude. Chronic Law's commitment to authenticity is a cornerstone of his artistry. He consistently delivers music that reflects real-life experiences, eschewing fiction for narratives grounded in truth. His approach to songwriting is introspective, often serving as a therapeutic outlet. By channeling his emotions into his music, he offers listeners a window into his world, fostering a deep connection with his audience. Chronic Law's impact on the dancehall scene is undeniable. His unique blend of lyrical depth and melodic sensibility sets him apart, earning him accolades and a loyal following. His music serves as a mirror to society, reflecting the complexities of life in Jamaica and the broader Caribbean. Through his songs, he addresses issues ranging from poverty and violence to hope and perseverance. Chronic Law's collaborations with established and emerging artists alike demonstrate his commitment to the growth of the genre. By bridging generational gaps, he ensures the continued evolution of dancehall music. His entrepreneurial spirit is evident in his establishment of One Law Entertainment / One Law Records. This venture allows him to maintain creative control and support other artists in their musical endeavors. Chronic Law's dedication to his roots is a recurring theme in his work. He often pays homage to his hometown and the experiences that shaped him, grounding his music in a strong sense of place. His ability to articulate the struggles and triumphs of everyday life resonates with a broad audience, transcending cultural and geographic boundaries. Chronic Law's rise to fame is marked by a relentless pursuit of excellence and a deep connection to his community. His music serves as both a personal diary and a social commentary, offering insights into the human condition. His influence extends beyond the studio as he engages with fans through interviews and public appearances, sharing his perspectives and experiences. Chronic Law's authenticity and vulnerability in his music foster a sense of trust and relatability among his listeners, solidifying his place in the hearts of many. His contributions to the dancehall genre are significant, pushing the boundaries of lyrical content and thematic exploration. Chronic Law's journey is a testament to the power of storytelling in music, using his platform to illuminate the realities of life in Jamaica and inspire change. His commitment to personal growth and artistic development ensures that his music remains relevant and impactful. Chronic Law's legacy is one of resilience, creativity, and unwavering dedication to his craft and community. As he continues to evolve as an artist, Chronic Law remains a beacon of authenticity in the music industry, inspiring others to share their truths through art. His story serves as a reminder that music can be a powerful tool for healing, empowerment, and social change. Chronic Law's journey from the streets of St. Thomas to international acclaim underscores the transformative power of music and the indomitable spirit of an artist committed to his vision.